The HIV bird is formed from the plasma membrane of a virus-infected cell. The HIV bird consists of almost equal to 4,000 GAG molecules. GAG protein mimics the function of HRS protein. HRS protein is used during the formation of multivesicular endosomes. HIV stands for Human Immunodeficiency Virus. The HIV is a retrovirus. This is the HIV envelope. So, HIV is an enveloped virus. The plasma membrane of a virus-infected cell has HIV GAG proteins. The HIV GAG proteins are considered as the major structural component of completed HIV virus particle. The HIV GAG proteins on the plasma membrane of virus-infected cell are tagged with ubiquitin. The GAG protein has an N-terminus and a C-terminus. The N-terminal segment of GAG protein is required for association with the plasma membrane. The C-terminal segment of GAG protein is required for pinching off of complete HIV particles. After the formation of HIV bird, a core particle can be seen at the center of HIV bird. The cytosolic ESCRT are cellular proteins. ESCRT stands for endosomal sorting complexes required for transport. The ESCRT proteins are then recruited to the ubiquitinated HIV GAG protein. The ubiquitinated GAG protein bound ESCRT proteins then mediate the membrane fusion and pinching off of the completed HIV virus particle. This is the completed HIV virus particle present in the extracellular space. The VPS4 is a cytosolic ATPase. VPS4 is a cellular protein. VPS4 stands for vacuolar protein sorting 4. VPS4 then binds to the assembled ESCRT protein. The cytosolic ATP then binds with the bound VPS4. In presence of VPS4, the ATP is converted into ADP and PI. The ADP and PI are then released to the cytosol. The VPS4 then also dissociates from the assembled ESCRT proteins. The ESCRT proteins are then disassembled and made available for the membrane fusion and pinching off of another completed HIV virus particle. Now, some important points. Other enveloped retroviruses such as murine leukemia virus and Ross sarcoma virus require ESCRT complexes for their budding. Murine leukemia virus and Ross sarcoma virus have evolved a somewhat different mechanism to recruit ESCRT complexes to the site of virus budding. TSG101, an ESCRT protein, binds to the C-terminus of GAG protein. It indicates that budding of HIV from the plasma membrane and formation of multivesicular endosomes use same molecular machinery. Please like, subscribe and share.